Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tuesdays. Yes, I plan to start this Tech Tuesday series so that I can upload all my tech related videos on Tuesdays. So yes, this section will be called Tech Tuesdays. So welcome. And today I'm going to talk about fitness. I'm going to share a fitness product, like a fitness gadget I would say, and it is going to be this. So this is the GoFit Pro 3D fitness band. I have been hearing and even seeing people who are using fitness bands, but I was not really sure how it is gonna help or what it is gonna do. But I am on my losing weight track because I really want to get back in shape, because after having the baby I was not able to return to my previous shape. I'm still 4 to 6 kgs overweight and I just want to shed all the weight and get back to my shape. Trust me, I'm not body shaming or doing anything. It's just like what I feel comfortable with. So I'm not comfortable with me being overweight and unhealthy. So I just want to be healthy and be fit and just want to run around the baby with ease. So I am getting back to fitness, and if you are with me, I'll start some fitness videos as well. So let me know if you will be interested in what I do to lose my weight and what all I'm doing. What all videos I'm following, what all exercises I'm doing. Let me know in comment section below and I would love to do it for you. But first let's get started with this fitness band. So this is the GoFit Pro 3D fitness band. So it is basically health tracker, and it retails for ₹2599. So it is a step pedometer, so how many steps do you take. It does have a call alert as well, so it can do a remote shoot. I don't know how that possible, but I will look into it and will let you know. I haven't used it yet. I will start using it from now on, so I will keep you updated guys on how this fitness band is helping me to track my health. And it has a sleep monitor as well. It has a wrist sensor. It keep a track on the distance you have traveled, and it checks on the calories you have burned and shows the time and has an alarm, and it has the anti-loss some technique as well, so you will not be able to lose it. And it is a 3V, so it's a 3 volts voltage, and the weight is just 25 grams, so it is very light on hands. And charging time is 45 minutes, so it takes 45 minutes to get charged from 0 to full, and standby time is 7 days. And that's really good. So you don't have to charge your fitness band every day like you do for the phone. So just charge it once in a week and you are done. And it is compatible with Android 4.3 or above and iOS 7.1 or above. It is compatible with mine, and I'm sure if you have a new smartphone, it will be compatible with yours as well. And it has a 0.49 inches OLED screen and has a 3-point micro USB charger. And what else? I guess that's it. So let's just unbox it quickly, because I'm really excited to use it, but I just don't want to use it alone, because I wanted to share it with you guys as well. And do let me know if any of you are using fitness bands, because I'm really interested in that, in knowing how do you use it and how does it help you. So this is what all we have. So there is this user manual first thing. So there is this user manual which shows how you can charge your band and how you sync it with your phone and manage things. So this is everything that you get in the box. And this is your fitness watch, which you are going to tie on your hands, and there is these are the locks, and these are the holes where you need to wrap it, and it will just get fixed. And it has multiple slots, multiple holes here. So if you have a thick wrist, thin wrist, I hope it will be able to get attached to your wrist without feeling loopy or droopy. So this is the charger. This is the USB charger, so you have to put it in your laptop or anything. And this is 3 pins at the back where you can put your charger and charge your device. These are the 3 pins here, and there are 3 pins in the charger. You just need to press them together, and this is how it will look, and it will charge pretty quickly. I charged mine I guess 2-3 days back, but I was waiting to shoot this video so I can show you guys how does it work. So let me just tie it on my hands and will show you. So as you move your hand, it shows the time, and it shows full battery and it shows time, date and date. So this is what all it shows on the home screen. Yeah, it shows on the home screen. I don't think you can see, but I can see it. Now I'll quickly share how to use this fitness band. So to use this GoFit Pro, first you need to charge your this GoFit Pro for 30 to 45 minutes if you're using it for the first time, and for the next time I'm sure you can just look at the battery and see what you need to do. And to use it, you need to install an app, VeryFit 2.0, and switch on the Bluetooth of your smartphone for pairing. So that's all you need to do, just switch on the Bluetooth, so it will communicate with the device and will share the details, everything that you have, like how much you have walked and how many calories you have burned on your phone directly, so you can see your what all you are doing throughout the day. So if you are feeling lazy today, you will get to know how many calories you have burned yesterday and then compared to today, so you will start running around and stay fit. Because even at times I do feel demotivated, so I thought of sharing this with you guys so that you can guys keep pushing me and help me lose my weight and be fit again. And let me know in comment section below if you are trying to lose weight and what is helping you to lose weight. Are you doing certain set of exercises? Are you following any videos? Because I do follow a lot of YouTubers to lose weight, and if you would like me to share, do let me know in comment section below, and I would love to share the videos that I do follow and do as a routine to lose weight. So just ask me in the comment section if you would like to know, and I would love to share it with you. Yeah, that's it from me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.